Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to use story archive in Facebook, and all we have to do is to launch our Facebook application. So once we are on our Facebook application, we are going to tap on our profiles, and then we are going to tap on our Facebook name. Then we're going to tap on the three dots. Then we're going to tap on archive. From there, we're going to tap on story archive. Then from there, as you can see from mine, my story archive is empty. So I may need to add some few stories, like, for example, I'd say to add that one. So I'm going to decide to share it. Then from there, as you can see, I do not have any items for the time being. But in the case that you do have them, you may be able to see them here. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.